All right, let's go.
10 minus 0 equals 10, 10, 10. 4 minus 1 equals 3, 3, 3. 7 minus 0 equals 7, 7. Minus
1 equals 9, 9, 9. 4 minus 0 equals
4, 4, 4.
3 minus 1 equals 2,
2, 2.
1 minus 1 equals
0.
1 minus 0 equals 1, 1, 1. 5 minus 0 equals 5, 5, 5. 2 minus 1 equals 1.
1, 1.
6 minus 1 equals 5.
5,
9 minus 0 equals 9, 9, 9. 8 minus 0 equals 8, 8, 8. 3 minus 0 equals 3, 3, 3. 8 minus 1 equals 7, 7, 7. 6 minus 0 equals 6, 6, 6. 5 minus 1 equals 4, 4, 4. 9 minus 1 equals 8, 8, 8. 2 minus 0 equals 2, 2, 2. 7 minus 1 equals 6, 6, 6. Awesome. All right, let's go over some addition facts. Okay. 9 plus 8 equals 17, 17, 17. 8 plus 8 plus 7 equals 15, 15, 15. 7 plus 6 equals
13,
6 plus 5 equals
11, 11.
5 plus 4 equals
9, 9, 9.
4 plus 3
7.
equals 7, 7, 7.
8.
Oh, now, so these were the same facts. So 8 plus 9 equals 17, 17, 17. Sorry. 7 plus 8 equals 15, 15, 15. Remember, they're twins. They're the same exact fact, okay? So we did this one. So 6 plus 7 equals 13, 13, 13. Same fact. Okay, next one. So we did 6 plus 5. So 5 plus 6 equals 11, 11, 11. Okay, we did 5 plus 4. So 4 plus 5 equals 9, 9, 9. And our last one, we did 4 plus 3. So 3 plus 4 equals 7, 7, 7. Awesome. So if you remember, last week we learned what's called the sum of 10 facts, meaning facts that equal to the number 10, right? So we did it kind of learning it with a missing add-in, which is a missing number to finish added up. But I have some on the board we'll practice, okay? Because this is what your test will be on this week, and this is what your pages are on, okay? So I just have a few of them up here. All right, so we have 3 plus blank equals 10. So remember, what am I trying to get to? 10. I have 10, and how many do I know that I have? 3. So I know I'm trying to get to a total of 10, and I have 3. So let's take away 3. How many do I need to finish off to get to 10? How many do I have left? I'm sorry. 7. So that means 3 plus 7 equals 10. Next, I have 6 plus blank equals 10. So I know that I'm trying to get to a total of 10. How many do I have? 6. So let's take away 6. How many remaining? 4. So that means 6 plus 4 equals 10. Next one, I have blank plus 9 equals 10. So I'm trying to get to 10 again, 10. And I know that I have 9. How many do I have remaining? So that means 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay? So that's how you figure it out. Once you're going to learn the facts and memorize them, it'll be a lot easier. But for now, if you don't memorize them, that's how we figure it out. You know what you're trying to get to, 10, and they tell you how many you have. So all you have to do is take away what you have, and whatever's left over, that's your number that you needed, okay? All right. Let's go ahead and look at the clock. Let's tell some time. So remember, we have 2 hands. We have our long hand, which is our minute hand, and our short hand, which is our hour hand. So let's tell some time. Here. Okay. What time is it? What time is it? Graham? 4 o'clock. If I am just getting off of school, would that be the morning or the afternoon? Afternoon. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, what time?
11:30.
11:30. Our hand is on 11. Remember, when that minute hand is on 6, that's half past 30 minutes. So if I am in bed sleeping, will that be morning or evening?
Morning.
Evening. 11:30. We're here at school. This is around lunchtime. Okay. What time? Ooh, look at that one.
Oh, I know. 3:30.
Not 3.
Oh, I know. 6:30.
6:30. Good. If I'm getting dressed for school, would that be morning or evening? Morning. Good. So remember, our two hands, our long hand is the minute hand. When it's on 12, that's a brand new hour o'clock. We have our short hand, which is our hour hand. We have our minute, long hand, minute hand. When it's on the 6th, that's 30 minutes half past. Okay. All right. So since we're celebrating the 100th day of school, it will be great for us to count to 100. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna count from 1 to 100. Then we're gonna go backwards from 100 to 1. Yay! Let's see. I mean, you're going to second grade in a couple of months, so this should be like super easy, right? Yeah. All right, so let's start with 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 80, 81, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95,
96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's go back. Ready? 100, 99, 98.
97, 96, 93, 92, 91,
89, 88, 87.
85, 84,
53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18,
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 2,
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, I see some people counting. Good job. Counting forwards and backwards. All right, 14, Pastor.
How come my number
Pastor. 15, cities.
Cities.
CITIES, cities. 16, armies.
Armies. ARMI. Helpful.
Okay.
Pure.
All right, so let's go ahead. So I have 7 socks that I drew here. Let me see. Can you figure out how many pairs I could get from the 7 socks? Okay, so you figure it out. I have 7 socks. How many pairs can I make? All right, let's look at 21. Good job.
Katop. K-A-T-A. Katop. And then you down again.
And Aunt Anna.
Anna. Oh.
Anna means up.
Back.
Okay, 23. Monty's.
Monty's. M-O-N-T-I-S. Monty's. Mountains.
24. Hummus.
Hummus. H-U-M-U-S.
Hummus means earth. 25. Folium.
Folium.
F-O-M.
F-O-I-U-M.
It means 7. All right, so let's see how many pairs. Let's see. Anybody figured it out? What you got? How many? She says 3. What you have?
4.
Okay, so one said 4. Anyone has anything different? No? All right, so let's see. So in order to have pairs, we have to have a total of 2. So let's circle. So I have here, that's 1 pair, here, 2 pairs, here, 3 pairs. So yes, I can only make 3 pairs. I cannot make a pair with this solo one, so that's a total of 4 pairs. All right, no. Get out your notebook.
Thank you.
All right, so last week we learned how to count by 10s with the numbers. Let's do our even numbers today. Let's count by 10s with the even numbers. So let's start with 2. So I can count by 10s. Can you? Can you? I can count by 10s and I start with 2. 2, 12, 22, 42.
52, 62, 72, 82, 92.
Okay, let's do 4. I can count by 10s with numbers galore. I can count by 10s and I start with 4. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44.
54, 64, 74, 84, 94.
Okay. I can count by 10s without any tricks. I can count by 10s and I start with 6. 6, 16, 26,
36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96.
8. I can count by 10s because in math I'm great. I can count by 10s and I start with 8. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48.
58, 68, 78, 88, 90.
And 10, I can count by 10, still gentlemen. I can count by 10s and I start with 10. 10, 20.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
All right. Okay. So everybody has their page 96. Let's go ahead and work here. We'll be here for a little 96A, this is what it looks like. If you didn't have it, I'll give you another minute to get it. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's right. Show me on your app. Let me see, Dennis. Yep, a little closer, Via. Good. Y'all follow the exact number of dots. Remember, it has to be congruent. So yes, you could just draw a square any kind of way, but it has to be the correct amount of dots in order for it to be congruent to mine. Okay, good. Okay, good. So we made it congruent. So we use 3 dots down, 4 dots across, 3 up, 4 across. All right, let's go to the next page, but this is what you'll do. Go to the back, okay? So you have the page we're on now, 96A. Flip it and go to the back, 96B.
Weird.
Yeah, on 96B, you'll flip it. Okay, let's do another one. We're gonna draw another shape. Let's see if you can make yours congruent to this one.
Oh no, piece of hard. I'm doing it upside down. I can't do a circle like that.
8 times for being in their business.
Wow. Wow. Wait in the world.
I'm not connecting it because I don't want to mix the colors, but you'll still connect it like y'all did a minute ago. All right, so look at this one. That one's a lot different than the one we had before that. So I started in the corner, yeah, again. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Then I went 4 across, 5 up, and then I closed 4 across. Go ahead.
Let me make it. This food is like this.
Oh. What? I was talking to her.
5 down. 4 down. And 5. I think that is so it's not 4. It's good. I can't do this. 6. And you gotta do this. Then it's fluid. Did you not see it?
Huh?
Did you not see it? I'm holding this up.
Okay. You can say, did you see my book?
Did you see my book?
Thank you. Let me see. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You didn't go 5 down. It's 5 down. You went 4 down.
I'm at the whole page. I'm about to write my name upside down. So you better not. You have to. You got to. I'm on 96C. A, C. 96. Y. S. I wrote it down like that. And let's see how my name looks.
Okay. All right, good. Okay, so let's go to the last one. We'll just see, and that'll be it. So go to 96C. So you'll probably just need to flip your book.
Wait. D. 96C. This is D. What? What? Go. Wait. D. 6. said it was.
Okay, look at this one.
What?
A lot different.
Oh no!
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it looks like.
So I'm starting in the corner again, of course.
Oh no! Don't say that. We have to do that. Oh my gosh! It will like a machine. Oh my God.
All right, so we start in the corner. So I went 5 across. Sorry, let's go 3 down. Then I go 4 across. Then I go 2 down, 1 across, 4 up, then close it. Oh.
Just like a sofa with the
All right, so try it out. Let's see. This is a little challenging. Let's see.
What in the world?
It's not. Okay, don't say things like that.
Miss Flugent. Here you go.
Sorry, I thought I was unmuted. I did see everybody's good. I thought I was unmuted while I was talking. So yeah, so you'll start to see this in your book. It will have a shape, just like it will have a shape, and it will be drawn already, just like I did. And then you'll have to draw a shape that's congruent to it. Okay. So good job. All right. So that's it for math. Let's go ahead and move on to phonics. Good job with that. All right. So go ahead and write swimmer. Okay, so make sure you follow that rule. There's a rule there.
W-I-R-R.
Okay, what was the rule? What did I need to do?
Double the letter.
Double that M. Good. That was a sharp vowel I-N, consonant M, double the M. Next, I have trip. I want to turn it into tripping. Tripping. Go ahead, Naraya. Tripping.
What trip?
Right here.
What's that?
Trip. She's turning it into tripping. Is that a sharp vowel I and a consonant? What should I do to this P?
Double P. No.
Okay, tripping. Good. Next, I have tape. Now look at tape. Now this is different. How would I write tape and turn it into tape? Tape.
I know.
ED. Go ahead, Kenny.
I could touch my eyeball.
Okay, what was the rule?
You have to
You did it. Like, what was it? Take off the. No, you did it right. I just wanted you to say.
take off this E.
Yep. Take off that E at the end
Put this E.
and add your suffix ed. Good. Remember, anytime you have a long vowel and a silent E, you drop the silent E and add your suffix. So the same thing. Ride. How would I write ride? Turn ride into riding. Go ahead.
Take them.
Mm-hmm. Take off the E. Okay, so ride into riding. So we drop the E and we add suffix ing. Okay, same thing as this one. Long vowel, silent E. Good. All right, so next we're going to move on to our next sounds off of our chart. We have the EAs. We have EA that says E, EA that says E, and EA that says A. Okay, 3 different EAs. Let's look at our first one. Dennis, could you tell me my sounds and read the word for me? You have to unmute.
Circle PH.
CH.
CH.
And
EA.
all right, what's the word, Dennis?
Peaches.
Well, just peach. Yeah, good. Okay, next one. Avaya, sounds. You're unmute.
Circle EA and circle VR.
VR, what's the word? What's the word?
Bread.
Bread. Okay, next one. Here, Joshua.
How you doing?
I don't know. I guess he's not there. Okay, sounds.
VR.
BR.
EA.
EAA, what's the word?
Break.
Break. All right, back here. Sound. EA. E, what's the word?
Meat.
Meat. Next one. Special sound. EA. EAA. What's the word? I'm sorry, EAA. Head. Okay, next one, Kinley. Sounds. EA and what's the word?
Great.
Great. Next one, Taylin. Special sound.
EA.
EAE. What's the word?
Mate. Meat.
T. You're reading this one. This one.
Teeth.
Team. Okay, Dennis, back to you. Next one, sounds.
EA.
EA and
DY.
and well, just Y. E. What's the word?
Ready.
Ready. And then the last one of Vaya sounds.
Circle. Circle ST.
ST and
EA.
A. What's the word?
Street.
Just ST and then A.
Steak.
A.
Steak.
Stay. Good. All right, let's go over some clue cards. So O says in shovel. Okay, this is an animal we would find that lives in Africa.
Lion.
Lion. That's where they're from. A says A in banana. I'm sorry, A says in banana. This is where we visited last week in social studies. Canada. Next, C says in city. All right, this is a place where you can see clowns and animals doing tricks. Circus. Next one, AU says in faucet. All right. If you're watching a movie and you have to stop it for a second, you want to pause it. Next, AW says in saw. This is what crabs have. Paws.
Yeah.
EA says E in leaf. Okay, this is what we do with books. Read them. EA says in thread. When something has a lot of weight on it, that means that it is heavy. Good. EA says A in stay. This is if something, if you drop glass, it will break. Awesome. Good. All right.
Me too. All of them. Got them right. I was first.
All right, you'll need a little sleep paper. Let's go ahead and move on to writing. So this week will be a little different in what we're doing. Oh.
I need a little paper. I need a little paper. We do have actually because I got red and I got green. No, I don't got green. Well, I got red and then them two got like it's not. Yes, it is. Red, green. No. Red, green, red. No, it's red. No, it's red. No, red. Okay, red, green. So that's not a pattern. And my stuff is backwards. Fix it. It's inside. I can't fix it. Now I gotta wait until I'm home and filling a bunch of buttons backwards all the way. So how am I gonna get myself?
All right.
This dude is gonna go to the restaurant.
Why are they doing that? Okay, so this week you'll be creating your own sentences, but I'll have directions for what I would like in each sentence. Okay, so we're just practicing some sentence writing this week, how to create good sentences. Remember, we have 4 types of sentences. We've learned all 4. We have questions, commands, statements, and exclamation sentences. And we've also learned the different types of parts of speech, like nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, idea. Pronouns, a pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. And we also are learning verbs. A verb is a word that does an action, which we'll do this after we're finished with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll practice some sentences today. So let's start with number 1. I would like a statement sentence that has 2 nouns inside of it. I hope you remember what nouns are.
Yeah.
Person, place, thing, idea. So I need a statement sentence with 2 nouns. It could be 2 persons, 2 places, 2 things. It could be a person in a place. It could be a thing in a place. A person, idea. It doesn't matter. Just I need a statement sentence with 2 nouns. Go ahead and write a sentence. Hold on.
Okay, now we gotta make a sentence.
One second. Yeah. Here.
Oh. So I wrote that too. That's fine.
Okay, we'll share in a minute.
Miss Fludence,
Uh-huh.
when I put my thumbs up, my thumb's actually down, but when I put my thumb down, my thumb's actually up. I'm upside down.
Oh, okay. All right, let's share a few sentences. All right, go ahead, Dennis, share yours. And was your hand up or no? I don't know if I saw your hand. Okay. Okay.
I go to the park. Yeah. Miss Fludence.
Wait,
I
what?
don't know.
1 second. Dennis, what was your sentence? I didn't.
Can I go to the park?
Okay, yeah, you do have 1 noun. What's your other noun? You have to have 2 nouns. So can I go to the park and play on the
Slide.
slide? So a slide, and because slide is also can be a verb, but when we're using it by naming what it is. So slide and park will be the 2 nouns. Okay, anybody else have their sentence with the 2 nouns? Okay, Kenley? Me and my teacher went to Walmart. Okay, so her 2 nouns are teacher and Walmart. Okay. Tom went to the store. Her 2 nouns are Tom and Store. Okay, good. Let's do number 2. We'll share more. We'll share more.
Wait, Miss Flugent. My pants is actually up. I'm just upside down.
Okay. All right, number 2. Can I get a question sentence with one verb?
What verb?
Now, we listed some verbs last week. So how would you ask a question with a verb in it?
I know.
That's interesting. A verb. Question sentence with a verb. That's interesting. Yeah.
I got searches good. What's my 3 words? 1, 2, 3. You. I forgot how to do each C Y-O-U walk.
All right, let's share a few of our sentences. Question sentence with a verb on the inside of it. Okay, go ahead.
Can you go to walk the dog?
Can you walk the dog? So walk is her verb. Good. And that's also a question. She's asking, can you walk the dog? Okay, and it's not a question sentence. You have to ask something. That does have a verb in it, ride, but it has to be a question. Okay, Joshua?
Can I play game?
Can I play a game? Good. Play would be his verb. Good. And he's also asking a question. Can he play? All right. Go ahead. All right.
Are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping? That's her question. Are you sleeping? Good. All right. Number 3. What you doing? Let's do a command. Oh, this will be challenging. A command sentence with a day of the week. Ooh.
What?
Command sentence with a day of the week in it.
I don't know
Command. I hope you remember what commands do. That's really the question. Huh?
Is January a day of the week? This Flugent. Number 2 favorite copy.
Okay.
What?
don't even know. Okay. All right, let's share some command sentences. Okay, command. All right, go ahead, Jalen.
Go away.
All right, Kinley.
Go to school on Monday.
Go to school on Monday. Good. You're given a command and you have your day of the week. Awesome.
You can play it is Saturday.
Okay, you can play on Saturday. Good. Okay, anybody else? Wow, y'all are doing amazing. Good job. Anybody? Nope, that's it?
I have one.
Okay, go ahead.
Stay in your room until Monday.
Stay in your room until Monday. I think I was trying to say two things at one time. Good. All right, awesome. Okay.
Go to the party on Sunday.
Go to the party on Saturday. Awesome. All right, good. Good job. All right. All right, good. All right, so that's what we'll be doing this week in writing. I'll be giving you like certain instructions on sentence writing. So it's going to be a mixture of what we've learned so far. So hopefully remember. So tomorrow we'll add some pronouns in the mix and probably some of our spelling that we've done as well. We'll add some of that in the mix, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move on to language. That'll be our last lesson of the day. We do not have a reading lesson on this week. No reading. We'll move on to our next book next week. It'll be called Balto. Okay. Yeah. So that'll be a fun book. All right, so let's remember, what is a verb?
It's a word that does an
A verb is a word that does an action. Good. Verbs are action words. Could I give some examples of actions?
I know.
What are some examples of some actions that we discussed last week? Okay, Mariah? Sleep. That's an action. Good. Some more actions.
I know. I have a question.
Jump is an action as well. Sleep, jump.
Oh my God.
Drop, you say? Or draw? Draw. Sleep, jump, draw. Anybody have any other verbs we can use? Eat will be another one. Now we had a whole list last week. And you had to write 10 down last week.
I did it. I know.
Run. Okay. Run. Sit. Anybody else have any in line? Dennis, Joshua, Avaya, any verbs?
One.
Okay.
Run.
We have run. So you have another one?
Eat.
We have eat as well.
Kick.
Kick. Any others?
Smile.
Smile.
Flip.
Flip.
Walk.
Walk. Okay, go ahead. Wink.
I got one. Clap.
Clap. Good.
Right.
Two more.
I know. Right. No.
Stomp. And somebody said right. Good. Okay, and there's a ton more we can write, a bunch of them we can write. So these are some examples of some action verbs, okay? Remember, an action verb is a movement. If it requires you to move in some kind of way, it's called a verb. So sleeping is a movement. Jump, draw, eat, run, sit, kick, smile, flip, walk, wink, clap, stomp, write. All of these are action words. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to use some of these action words and put them inside of sentences. That's what our lesson will be this week. Writing, adding verbs inside of sentences. Okay. So remember, a verb is a word that does an action. It's movements. Action words are movements. Okay. All right. So what is a verb? A verb is a word that does an action. Yeah. Okay. All right. Awesome. So that was our last lesson of the day. Like I said, we don't have a reading this week. We'll kind of be off of reading for this week. We'll do our science and social studies on tomorrow. In science this week, we are learning about insects. Oh, insects? Yeah. Insects. We'll kind of do an intro to insects, how to identify an insect. And in social studies, we are moving on to our next country, which we're still in North America, but we'll visit our neighbor to the south of us, which will be Mexico. So last week we went to our neighbor to the north, Canada. This week we're moving to our neighbor to the south, which is Mexico. So that's where we'll be on this week. Yeah, we do. That's why it's on a lot of Mexican dishes. All right, awesome. Okay.